Let's see 4 stocks for tomorrow's session. The first stock in the list is Jindal Steel and Power Limited. In yesterday's analysis video, we saw this level of 226 as a buying level, but in today's session, price did not went up. But if you see the entire day's action, you can see a candle which is having wick on the downside, which means that the selling pressure is absorbed. Now we have a resistance of 3 candles which happens to be 226. So tomorrow's session I am sure that Jindal will go beyond 226. Second stock for tomorrow's session is JSW Steel. As we are talking about this stock since last week and also coming into this week, the bullish momentum is as steep as it can get. The reason for this is that the resistance level on a monthly chart is around this particular level, and there are still lot of miles for JSW to run to get to that level. So we could expect some sort of bullish movement till that particular price level. So in tomorrow's session I am bullish about the stock, and you could easily capture 5 to 6 pips. Third stock for tomorrow's session is Voltas Limited. If you see the daily chart of the stock, you can draw a trend line from this particular price point. So in tomorrow's session, if you see any movement above 647, you can go for buy side position. The reason for that is we'll access monthly chart and will tell you that this is a strong resistance level for Voltas. For this level and till this level, you could see a strong bullish movement. When Voltas get to this level, you might see some sort of consolidation, then it might go up and down, but that is for later. In tomorrow's session we are going to buy it above 648. Fourth and final stock for tomorrow's session is Adani Enterprise. In today's session, Adani Enterprise made twice the size of candle it makes on an average day. The reason for that is it broke out of this concession. When you see any kind of breakout from a concession level, it generally results in a much larger candle. And in tomorrow's session I expect this bullish momentum to continue. The reason for is that once we access monthly chart, you will get to know. As we talked about Voltas and JSW, you can see this is a strong resistance point. So till this point you could see some sort of bullish movement happening. It might not be in a V-shaped direction, it might go up and down, but as you see some kind of bullish pattern developing on a 5-minute or a 1-minute chart, you can go for a buy. If you want to know all the important levels that we just discussed for the 4 for tomorrow's session, you can join my Telegram channel. I will leave the link in the description box. Thank you for watching.